A Southwest Airlines flight was forced to make an emergency landing after an engine caught fire, filling the cabin with smoke. Southwest saying there was a reported bird strike to an engine and the aircraft's nose shortly after takeoff. The plane turning around and making an emergency landing. Meanwhile, passengers covering their faces as they evacuated through emergency exits.
We have bird strikes happen every day in commercial aviation, but very seldom does it require an emergency return. However, we always err on the side of caution, and that's what this crew did.
Southwest says they are working to book the passengers onto other flights.